In this short tutorial, I will show you how to avoid toll roads on Google Maps. Many people want to save money or simply prefer to steer clear of tolls when planning their routes. Fortunately, Google Maps makes it easy to bypass toll roads and find alternative routes. To get started, open up the Google Maps app and then set up where you want to go. Once you've done that, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap Options. Now you'll see the Avoid Tolls option. To enable that option, simply toggle on this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.